So this is for Saddlebags 73 only. The rest of you, go away. This is how I do the setup with my action camera on my helmet. GoPro, I have the microphone adapter, microphone going in the helmet. I get about an hour off the battery itself, and this battery pack that my son gave me gives me about an extra hour. So I just put this in my shirt pocket or my coat pocket, and you can see it's charging now. So I get extra time that way. And when I want more time, I hook this. I have a 6-foot cable that goes from my helmet into my saddlebag, or I have this USB port I can charge my cell phone off of. I can charge my flashlight, and that hooks up is a battery tender connector, which goes to here on my battery right off the ship, and that's the other GoPro connector that goes to my saddlebag. And when I have the camera mounted on the handlebars, I have this 90-degree connector set up to give it power all the time through the accessory port, which Royal Enfield gives you, which is right here. And I also and so that'll charge it when the ignition's on, when it's running. When you turn it off, like to get gas, it's running off battery power. But right through the headlight, there's a plug inside there that goes to the accessory. And I also have my TomTom GPS wired into that too. So those wires all go into the headlight, and there's a male accessory plug in there that Royal Enfield gives you, and Hitchcocks Motorcycles sells these female connectors. It has pins in it, and I will try to leave a link in the description. Okay. Hope this helps, Saddlebag 73. Thanks for all your help.